conclusion for the AI for 3 words. The first one will be understanding. The second one will be deep thinking. The third one will be translation. The AI can be assistant for everyone in their daily work and the daily life.
Hello and welcome to Impact Insights, where we speak to people who are turning bold digital ideas into real-world outcomes. I'm Teymoor Nabili, a journalist and a communications coach. Today I'm joined by Ken Howe, who's head of AI labs at MSIG, and he brings a unique perspective on how technology is transforming their organization and their industry. From purpose to performance, we'll unpack how they're scaling innovation and embedding intelligence into their business. Ken, welcome. Thanks for being with us.
Nice to meet you.
So let's get a look at the big picture for a minute. Introduce us, if you would, to MSIG, the development layout and the overall mission and vision.
Yeah, the first one is to thank you for the invitation. So let me introduce myself and my company at first. So my name is Ken, and I'm from MS. So MMS, the full name is MSIG Management Shanghai. So MSIG is also belongs to the MSAD group. So it's also the Japanese very famous Japanese insurance group company. Okay.
Carry on.
Okay. So right now we say MMS, we say right now a lot of the fintech and digital will be very famous in the world. So our company decide to create a new company to support for the group synergy. So that's why we say MMS has happened. We are a very new company. We just established in 2020. So at that time, our boss says, okay, we are not can just focus on the insurance itself. We need to go out. We need to using the technology. We need using the digital to helping the group to doing the digital transformation. So at that time, we just to say we want to using the digital to helping our group to doing the digitalization.
Tell me a little bit about risk. Obviously, insurance is a tool for risk management and a major part of it. But you have something called a full process risk management operation. Yeah. Explain to me what that means.
Actually, it's a very good idea and a very good solution with our customer. Actually, the NCS also have a very strong skills with the VA video analysis. We also cooperate with NCS here to helping our customer to say not the traditional tools for the insurance. We also say the traditional one will be just a policy to helping the customer to protect their property or something. But we want to say not only for one paper for policy, we just say we want to provide our customer a whole package for the risk solution, like before the risk and the real time the risk and after the risk. We say before the event, pre-event, we also have to helping our customer to support for their device like IoT, like CCTV and a lot of things. And also we were using the NCS helping our customer to build a lot of things. In the real time, we also are using the NCS like VA to helping to monitor like smoking, like fall down, like SOS, the situations like that. So for our customer side, they not to get only the information from the NCS side, but also will get the information from the insurance company. We will also to get them the solutions, how it when the alert comes, how it can helping them to decrease their risk in their daily working. So it's a real time. So after all the things happen, we will say for our insurance company, we will get some alert information from the NCS. So we can analysis for data and to helping our customer to have some the report for the risk, and also tell them, okay, for your factory for this year, maybe we'll have some the hundreds times of the fire smoking alert. So you need to take care about your user training about how to protect your fire property, how to protect your factory property with using the NCS technology. That's also the solution we have to provide to our real customer. So for us, it's also the win-win things for the NCS and us. So for NCS, they will also to provide our customer and your customer the solution with VA and the solution. For us, we'll also to say we'll also have the evidence to let our customer to trust policy is also can be used in their daily
So it sounds that this platform is an integration of multiple
Yes.
different kinds of ideas.
Yes.
What's the core what are the core elements of it?
Actually, there will be a lot of core for our platform. So for the first one will be IoT device monitor. So your NCS will be detective some of the situation like a risk situation. So we will also to base the situation will give some of the risk solution. So it's one thing. For example, the other things will be like disaster alert. So for our platform, we also were giving some of the message like typhoon or some other information to helping our customer know some address you have. We will also to protect you and also tell you some of the information will be tell you some of the risk will happen in the next 24 hours. So our customer will know how to protect their property using our method. So as well as also helpful for our customers.
So from what I understand,
Yes.
you've gone even beyond that. You're doing work with innovating in generative AI areas.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about what you're making here and what value it provides.
For example, for generative AI for the survey report, for the traditional one, we will maybe for 10 minutes or maybe 1 day or 2 days to write down for the survey report. But right now, if we get all the information in the digitalization, we can let the AI to helping us to write for the report. Maybe it will be decreased to the 5 minutes or 10 minutes to have a report, and all of the report will be very professional than people. So it will be helping our employee internal to decrease for the time when they writing for the template.
Tell me about the regional strategy. You talked a little earlier on about your company's activities, but all this innovation and technological capacity that you're talking about in the development of these things.
Yes.
Is this for China only, or are you expanding this into the region? How are you applying the different?
Actually, we MSIG is a very good company, a very big group company in the world. So right now we are trying to cooperate with the MSIG Asia in Singapore to see any other situation. The different countries have a different pinpoint and different situation. We want to cooperate with the MSIG Asia and Singapore here to helping them to find out any pain point for our real customer factory in the Southeast Asia, and using our general AI and AI technology to helping them to doing the solution. Our platform is also one of the solution to helping our customer to doing some of the risk prevention. It's also the same thing. We are also to doing some group synergy right now to helping not only for MSI China customer, but also the MSIG group customer.
Well, when you're creating these digital initiatives and you're driving them out in the markets, what are the biggest challenges that you're facing in doing that?
I think the big challenge for us maybe will be let our customer to trust your solution. Some of the factory customer will be very traditional because we are Japanese company. Our customer also is a Japanese company. So the Japanese style will be we just trust our lots of the things before. So we need to let our customer to trust our solution because some factory will also have the security method. They don't using some of the new things because have some security issue. So we want to let them know, okay, our solution will not touch your security side. We will just give to touch some of the alert information. So you just let alert information to integrate our system. For example, like smoking. We just know the smoking area in the time and the information. We don't want to touch any method of your factory, how to doing your things and how to do that. So will be let our customer to trust your method and the solution will be some very hard things to us. And second one to think will be the general AI will be also a new thing. Lots of people don't know what AI can help in them. So we will let them know how the AI solution can helping them in their daily work. Because AI is not very high level things in the, to be honest, AI is not very high things. It can be helping the people in their daily work. For example, we say AI can help you to search the information very fast. And it also can helping you to doing the translation or helping you to do some of the deep thinking. So we need to let him know the AI is not far from you. It's very close to you. To let them know, our customer to trust your solution is really helping them in their daily work.
Finally, let's look ahead a little bit. I mean, where do you see the future development of AI in the insurance industry?
Actually, in the future for AI, I think the first one will be common thing. The AI should be very common for every employee in the company. So the AI is not very high level because, for AI, when some not IT background for people will say, heard of AI. Okay, I know the AI. How AI can help me? So my thing will be AI should be very, very common and very, very useful in their daily work. Not very high business configuration of that. So we say the first one will be for AI, should be very, I will also conclusion for the AI for 3 words. The first one will be understanding. So the AI, general AI can helping to understanding the lot of the documenting several times very quickly. So it can helping to summarize all the information in the maybe 1 or 2 minutes. The second one will be deep seeking. So the AI can helping to us to recommend some information to in our daily life or daily work. So the third one will be translation. So the translation can help also to helping the people in their daily work for translate A to B. So what in my suggestion for the AI in the future, so the AI can be assistant for the everyone in their daily work and the daily life.
Fantastic. Ken, thanks for talking to us.
Yes.
That's Ken Howe from MSIG. Thanks for sharing your journey with us. It's a great example of how purposeful, people-led innovation is helping reshape the way industries move forward.